In this video, I'll be showing you how to use SchoolFusion to upload a handout for your students to access. Go ahead and log into SchoolFusion using your username and password. Once logged in, scroll down, and on the lower left-hand side on your personal dashboard, look for Fusion Pages. Now, go ahead and click on that. You can upload a handout to more than one class, but you have to start by selecting one class. So go ahead and click the class that you would like to add the handout to, and that'll take you to that page. Now, check out the tools that you already have on your page. Here I have announcements, I have homework, and I have links, but I don't have anything called files. So I'm going to go to my Add Fusion tool, and I'm going to click on that, and I want to look for files. So I'll go ahead and click Files, and that will add a Fusion tool for files on my Fusion page. Now remember, you can organize the information that's on your page any way that you want. Hover over the area. For example, files, I want to show below announcements, so I'm going to use the drag and drop tool, which is the four-headed arrow. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to drag it below announcements to just switch those two places. Once you have it arranged the way you want, now you're ready to start adding some files. Now notice you have some different options. You can add a single file, or you can add folders. If you plan to upload a lot of files, say for one topic, like for example you want to upload all of the handouts for chapter 1, you might want to add a folder and then put the files in the folder so that they're easier for the students to find. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add Folder, and I'm going to give my folder a name, and I'm going to call this Chapter 1, and this is where I'm going to put all of my Chapter 1 material in. You can give it a description if you want, and then you need to select the group that you want the folder to go into. So if you want this same folder to be in multiple sections, you can go ahead and select that now and click Add a Folder. And when you get back to your Fusion page, you will see now that under Files you have one folder called Chapter 1. Alright, let's start, and notice that you have both a pencil and a red X. If you hit the red X, that will delete that folder. If you want to change the name of the folder, you can click the pencil, and that will allow you to edit the folder. Let's go ahead and add a file to the folder. So if we want to add a file to this folder, we're going to go ahead and click on Chapter 1. And here it tells us that there are no files in the folder. So I'm going to simply click Add a File. Now you can upload multiple files if there's several files that you want to upload. I'm just going to add one file. So in this area where it says File Name, I'm going to click Browse, and I'm going to find the file that I want to upload, and I have a Chapter 1 outline right here saved in PDF format that I'm going to go ahead and open. Give the file a description if you want to, and again here the Chapter 1 folder should be showing, because we want to put all of these files that belong in Chapter 1 into the Chapter 1 folder. And I'll go ahead and click Add File. And now when we get back to our Fusion page, we will see that the Chapter 1 outline is in the Chapter 1 folder. Alright, let's go back to the Fusion homepage and look at files. So let's say we just want to add a file that maybe we want, maybe our class rules we want to put on there. We don't necessarily want that to go into a folder, so I'm going to click Add File. I'm going to scroll down, and again, this looks just like the Add the File when we were putting it into a folder. I'm going to click Browse, and here I have my class rules, and I will open that up. I can type a description if I want to. This time I do not want it to go in a folder, so it should say None here. Select the group that you want the file to go into and click Add File. And now you can see that here are my rules. And again, the pencil means I can edit that file, and the red X means I can delete it. Now, both of the files that I chose to upload were PDF files, and it's important to upload files as PDF whenever possible, especially if you don't want the student to edit that file. And if you need help with that, see the video on saving Office files as PDFs. And that's how easy it is to add a file to SchoolFusion.